Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display or use an NSOutlineView in native macOS application with Swift. So let's get started. So here you can see this is the output of an NSOutlineView. Key value, here we are displaying name, age, birthplace, birth date, and here we have kind of like a silly drop down as well. I'm not sure what to call this. I think expanded menu, something like that. Let's see how to do this. So firstly, I have created a native macOS application. I am using AppKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. Then I have just created this struct of person. Here I have passed name, age, birthplace, birth date and hobbies. You can change it to whatever you feel like. And here I have passed key value item, key of type string, value can be any. Then here we have created this NSView controller. I have created this NSOutlineView. I have passed our key value item. Then here I am just calling two methods, setup data as well as setup outline view. Here inside setup data we are just creating an object for our struct, and here I am creating our data. So I am passing the name, age, birthplace, birth date and hobbies. So how exactly our keys should look like. Then I have created this setup outline view. So here we are initializing our outline view and then it requires a scroll view, and the scroll view's document view is our outline view. I have set the vertical scroller as to true, and here I have just added our scroll view to our parent view. Then I have set up some NS layout constraints. Then I have added this NS table column, so of key and value. Suppose if you don't need it, you can just uncomment this particular code. So if I just run this, you won't see that key value header which you see at the very top. So here you can see something like this, but I need it, that's why I'll just comment this out again. And here we just call outline view dot reload data, and given that we are getting some data, that's why we are using a NSOutlineView. That's why we have to extend this data source as well as delegate, which we are setting it over here. And then I'm just overriding methods. So if the item dot here again, this data, this entire thing has been copy pasted from the documentation. So only if it is hobbies, then only we have to do something different, something like this, because it is an array. Otherwise do something like this. Okay, similarly over here as well, and over here as well. Okay, so I'll simply scroll through this. So it is for each and everything. So only thing is our hobby is little different. That's why we are doing something like this. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.